Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's April the 9th, 2023. We're here to talk about Bitcoin today. I want to issue out this dire warning for Bitcoin. You guys can tell that we've had a price prediction in Bitcoin going all the way back to the 21st of March, 2023. And as you guys can see, price hasn't really been moving. It's just been trading sideways. So what we're going to do today, we're trying to figure out whether or not the market in Bitcoin is going to continue to go higher, because that's our current idea, is for Bitcoin to continue to trend higher, or will the market go lower to the downside. So I really wanted to show you all on the 2-day chart how we're definitely seeing some weakness coming to the market in Bitcoin, albeit it's not extremely weak, preferably right here. And then again on this 2-day price bar. Okay, look at this on the 3-day chart. A lot of these 3-day price bars resembles weakness as it's been trading sideways. What do I mean by that? Well, you guys can see it on these 3-day price bars. This one here, okay, then you have this 3-day price bar, and then this one. All of this is indicative of individuals in the market in Bitcoin selling their Bitcoin in this space. Now, one of the good things is that there's enough demand in this space for the market to absorb whoever's been selling their Bitcoin in this space. That's great. But the market could be running out of gas. The buyers could actually be running out of money to continue to buy up the Bitcoin that's being sold. Look at this on the weekly chart. Now we have 7 hours and 6 minutes left. And you guys can see the last 2 weeks we've seen pretty good indication that there's a lot of indecisiveness going on in the market for Bitcoin. Right here, starting on the week of March the 20th, then you saw the week of March the 27th, and you're still seeing it here on the current weekly price bar. Now take a look at this though. This current weekly price bar, we're not seeing as much volume coming in this market for Bitcoin right now. Why would that be? People are not selling as much, or people aren't buying as much? Look at Bitcoin on the 2 weeks. So here it is. We have 7 hours and 5 minutes left on this current 2-weekly price bar. The market in Bitcoin is not giving us a lot of spread. The prior 2 weeks, look how wide the spread bar was. We saw a monumental move higher from 22,000 all the way up there nearing $30,000. And then you get to this current 2-weekly price bar, we're not seeing too much go on. It seems to me like the market is waiting for some type of catalyst to move this price. So let's look at this on the 7-hour chart. Okay. Now looking at this on an hourly time frame, again, I'm not really too bullish into the market in Bitcoin, albeit price has been holding quite well. Now these weekly price bars, 7-hour price bars, is definitely telling me that there's a little bit more weakness in selling coming to this market in Bitcoin. Look at this on a 5-hour chart. Okay. So how do you suspect the market's going to move in Bitcoin? Do you think it's going to continue to go higher, or do you think it's going to continue to go lower? Because as of right now, we're not seeing the market in Bitcoin actually making higher lows. Okay, we're actually seeing the market become tired of trending to the upside. Let me show you this. You see that? This is on the 11-hour chart. Price breaks this trend into the market in Bitcoin, the market would no longer be making higher lows in this space. It would no longer be making higher lows. We need to see the market in Bitcoin bounce right now off of this trend line. So let's take a look at this on the 45-minute chart. And you guys can pretty much see that this is pretty much the current idea of what the price is trying to do. It's trying to bounce off of that trend line that we just created. So how do you think the market's going to move? Are you bullish? Are you bearish? How do you see this price? Looking at Bitcoin on the 1-month chart, I'm still bullish. Now we still may see price come all the way down and hit $25,250, give or take. But the current idea is that the sentiment hasn't changed. Okay. Now I'm here to tell you today though, is just be careful, because we could possibly still see this price in Bitcoin go lower. I'm here to tell you that that's currently being seen on the chart. We're definitely seeing some weakness come into the market, but don't fret. As long as price in Bitcoin holds this support area of around like $25,000, we're good. We're still going to expect the price to go higher in our prediction. Now, you guys can see that I have my ultimate area of support all the way down here around 23,450. So we can even see Bitcoin price fall all the way down from where it is right now to 23,500. That's 15.75% move to the downside. Everyone would think that the up move would be over in Bitcoin, but take a look at this. we're still trending on this trend line. Okay, the market is still trading above our overall trend. So as of right now, I'm going to continue to go forward with my price prediction, but I'm here to tell you now, be prepared for the price to go down. Okay, be prepared. We've seen prices elevate and hover and trade sideways for the last couple of trading days, and it looks to me like the market is definitely getting tired. I do suspect price is about to go down. Now, I'm not going to change my price prediction though, because I want to see how weak the price is going to go. How low will the market move on this idea that price is about to go lower? Now, we may see it run down to 27,500. It might even come all the way down here to these lows here. Okay, so be on the lookout for that. That is around what, $26,000, $27,000 or so. I'm gonna hold that there because I want us to see the market hold this. If it does, then I'm going to continue to go forward with my price prediction. I'm looking for Bitcoin to go higher. If price doesn't hold this support line, which I've just created around $26,700, give or take, then I'll come back in and do another price prediction, looking for Bitcoin to continue to trend to the downside. That's it. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.